Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are today. In this video, we're going to use Python in order to draw a series of octagons to a screen, and we're going to rotate those octagons around in a perfect circle. What I want to do is I want to have 36 octagons that rotate in a perfect circle. So first thing I want to do is show you what that would look like. Here's an octagon. And an octagon is a polygon with 8 equal sides, so this is a regular octagon here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this particular object. Because I want 36 of them, I'm going to rotate them 10 degrees at a time. 10 times 36 is 360. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look what's happening. It's forming this absolutely beautiful shape. And so can I do that in Python using Turtle Graphics? Well, the answer is yes. And the cool thing is this. Not only can I do that, but each time I rotate the octagon, I can change the color of the pen and get a really beautiful shape along with a really beautiful color pattern as well. And I want to show you how to do that in Python. So, okay, let's go ahead and let's open up Python. And there's a couple things I want to show you in this lesson. The first thing I want to show you is how the as keyword works. Do you know how in class we've been creating an object called Shelly, and then we say something like Shelly equals turtle.turtle? Well, because of the as keyword, I can do everything in one line. And I've decided not to call my turtle Shelly, I've decided just to call my turtle T. So by using the as keyword, I not only import the turtle module, I even define the turtle object to be T. And so instead of saying Shelly dot and then whatever I want, I'll just say T. Now there's this really cool module called iter_tools, which stands for iteration tools. And inside of that module is a method called cycle. And cycle is really cool, because what cycle is going to do is it's going to allow me to change colors each time I finish one of my octagons and move on to a different color. So it's going to start off with this red color right here, and you're probably looking at that and saying, what on earth is that? Well, I'll show you in just a minute. Then it moves on to another color, which I believe is an orange, then a yellow, then a white, then a really cool blue, and then a type of purple. And then it's going to cycle back to the red. And so it's going to alternate, it's going to cycle through the different colors. So what I do first is I create a list called colors. And inside of there I put, these are called hexadecimal codes. And so these are the codes for the different colors. Let me show you where I got these from. So you don't have to be a magician. Go to HTML color picker in your web browser, and then it's right here, HTML color picker, not pickle, picker, W3 Schools. Click on that, and this is so cool. Check this out. I can click on something right here, and right here it gives me that beautiful hexadecimal code. So I would copy that, and then I can paste it right into my Python code, and you can choose all sorts of different colors. You can make your list as long as you want. So this is where I'm getting those hexadecimal codes from. I'm not actually making them up. I'm just going to the website saying, man, I really like that color. I'm going to steal the hexadecimal number for it and then put it into my Python file. Now after I define my list, what I do is I use the cycle method. So I'm going to use the same variable colors, and this time I'm going to make it what's called an iterator. And an iterator is something that will go from one thing to the next. And so I do that by using the cycle method. So I put colors, the old definition of colors, which is this list, into the cycle method, and it creates a new thing called an iterator, and I store that back into the variable colors. I'm going to set the background to black, and just for laughs and giggles, I'm going to make my turtle a turtle, and I'm going to set the speed to fastest. Okay, pen goes down. Now, how is this going to work? Well, I've got a loop inside of a loop. Now the first loop is going to run 36 times. And what's going to happen is I'm going to draw an octagon. I'm going to rotate 10 degrees. I'm going to draw another octagon, rotate 10 degrees, draw another octagon, and continue that process until it goes in full circle. So this is going to run 36 times. My counter variable is I. I set the pen color using the next method. This cycles to the next color in colors. So actually this would grab the red color first. Then I begin my loop of drawing. I create a new counter variable called J. An octagon has 8 sides. I go forward 50 pixels, and then I turn to the left 45 degrees. So okay, how did you get 45 degrees? Well, it's pretty simple actually. Since I want to draw an octagon and I want to rotate the octagon, all I really have to do to figure out how much to turn is to take 360 and divide by 8. So if you had a hexagon, 6 sides, you would take 360 divided by 6, and that would be 60. So you would turn 60 degrees if it was a hexagon. But I've got an octagon, so I took 360 divided by 8, and I got 45 degrees. Now this loop right here draws one single octagon, okay? Then I rotate 10 degrees to the left. Notice this is not tabbed in like the rest. So this left command is actually part of this loop here. And then I run through the process again. Get a new color and then draw a whole new octagon all over again. Then after this loop is finished, rotate another 10 degrees, change the pen color, draw a whole new octagon. So if you want to take this code and pause the video and then put it into your Python, you can go right ahead and do so. Let me show you what this looks like. Ready? Oh, how cool is that? Go, turtle, go! Oh, Python is so cool. And there we go. Looks a lot more beautiful than that. It's beautiful colors, alternating each time. All right, I hope this got your brain going. You can do a whole lot of different shapes other than octagons. God bless you, wherever you are today.